In this video, you'll learn how to make a division sign in Google Docs. This is a small symbol, but it can make your documents look much more professional, especially if you're working on math problems, lesson plans, or any kind of technical writing. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to insert the division symbol whenever you need it. First, you'll want to open Google Docs. You can either create a brand new document or open an existing one where you want to add the division sign. Take a moment to place your cursor exactly where you want that symbol to appear. That might be between two numbers as part of an equation or in a sentence where you're explaining a calculation. Positioning your cursor first saves you time so that the symbol lands in the right spot the moment you insert it. Now, look toward the top of the Google Docs window where you see the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're interested in here is the Insert menu. Click on Insert to open the drop-down list of options. This menu is where Google Docs keeps most of the items you can add to your document, such as images, tables, and equations, and it's also where you'll find the option for special characters. From the Insert menu, move down and click on Special Characters. This will open a new dialog box or panel, usually in the center of your screen. This Special Characters window is where you can search for and insert all kinds of symbols that aren't available directly on your keyboard. You'll see a search bar, some categories, and a preview area that shows the symbols you can choose from. In the Special Characters window, click on the search box. Here you can type a word to find the symbol you're looking for. Since we want the division sign, type the word division into the search bar. As you type, Google Docs will automatically filter the symbols and show you any characters related to division. This is often easier and faster than scrolling through all the available symbols manually. Once the search results appear, look for the classic division sign. It looks like a short horizontal line with a dot above and a dot below it. That's the # symbol. When you see it in the list of results, simply click on it once. As soon as you click the symbol, Google Docs will insert it directly into your document at the exact location of your cursor. You don't need to press any extra buttons to confirm. After the symbol appears in your document, you can close the Special Characters window by clicking the X or simply clicking back into your document. You can then continue typing as normal. If you need to use the division sign multiple times, you can copy and paste it or repeat the same steps to insert it again. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to add a division sign in Google Docs using the built-in Special Characters tool so you can keep your equations and documents clear, accurate, and nicely formatted.